chicken again. Something's wrong. So, messed up my shoulder apparently, I don't know. Something went wrong. And so now we got the little Soma care thing on there. Some wild hair, look at that.
Hat hair.
Hat head. I think the reindeer wants to go for a ride. He keeps asking.
Deer, not a reindeer.
It's reindeer. Well, it's not
Bucky.
raining or snowing. This is Bucky. Hi, Bucky. So here, Bucky. We're not going for a ride. Quit asking.
And the other one's Bucko.
Oh, Bucky and Bucko.
Let's see, Bucko. There's Bucko.
There's Bucko and Bucky. They look like fun. Well, it's another snowy morning out here, and it is bright. So, definitely makes life a little harder in the wintertime. You know, to shovel a lot of snow, we're constantly getting wood. It's pretty rough some days, especially when I'm not feeling the best, that makes it rough. But this morning we're back down here because it's a everyday thing, take care of these chickens. Can't just let them go. So we're going to come down here this morning, we're going to get my snow shovel, give them a good shoveling again. You know, yeah, it's a pretty nice life living out in the woods. All the stuff that's going on, everything that we're hearing about, I'm glad we have a food supply source right here in this box. And it will supply us food if we need. It already does. It's where we get all of our eggs. But we'll work on our garden this year as well and get all of our food growing. So that's a big project, but we're not going to do anything too fast, too hard. We don't want to stress ourselves out. And just kind of enjoy it the best we can. Let's get these chickens shoveled out. They're ready to come out and play. Good morning, ladies. All right. So, got some pine straw, throw it around, keep your feet warm. Move off the snow. Hopefully some of this will melt today. Come on, girls. Up and at 'em. Come on, Lacey. Lacey's so pretty. She's a golden laced, and Sly is our silver laced. And they're gorgeous birds. Sly was originally called Sylvia until he started crowing. Silly, silly roosters. Alright, so another beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, for another wonderful day in the woods. And fortunately, we got to venture into town later. Errands. Stupid errands. Be nice to eventually not have to go into town, but we'll get there. Good morning, chickens. So we got a little snow. Chickens like it, I think. But when it snows, it gives us the chance to see what all comes around our pen. Look right here, we got quail tracks. When I come down this morning, there was about a half a dozen quails out here. And of course, they live back this way. You can see all their friends over here. And of course, we got some Bella tracks. Bella come up, run through, went that way. We are blessed in the fact that with coyotes don't seem to come up this far. I think it's Bella that keeps them away. Because I mean, right here is the woods. I know we've lost some chickens right on this edge line here. But for the most part, they stay away from the coop area. They come up to that road line, but no further. Ain't that right, chickens? So we'll let them get to having a good day. We've got them some fresh water. And refilled their foods. I see you peeking at me, Sly. Sly trying to make sure what's going on. He's our protector. A couple of years ago, he took on a big old Tom. He was twice his size at least. He didn't back down though. Had him backed against the fence back here. Crazy turkeys. Usually the female turkeys come down. We don't have a problem. They'll come down and eat in the yard and go. So, good day, chickens. Right, so we're down here in the basement. This is Grubby's lair. We're giving him some food. And we're going to give him some fresh water as well. Good old grubby cat. Yeah, he's outside waiting for me. Every night. Not reseeding at all. At all.
Get way close to the line. Get it up.
See, there's no reseeding there. Oh, you can see where I hit my head this
if
morning.
If you grow it out, that means you're not losing it.
Got this nice mark on my head from where I hit my head this morning.
You got contacts too.
Got new contacts. I can see. My camera doesn't do it justice. Looks gorgeous out here. The half moon. It's kind of lit up for me, but put chickens away. Good night, Sly. Sleep well. See you in the morning. Let us know if there's any ruckus. Good night, chickens. Sleep well, my fine feathered friends. Good night, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Let's go see if they got us any eggs. No eggs. No eggs. No eggs. One egg. I collected a couple earlier. And I think that's 3 for today. Got a grubby cat waiting on dinner right here on the porch. Hey, grubby. Are you hungry? Want something to eat? Come on, buddy. Let's go get you some food. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, grubby. Right. So it's a Friday. It's been pretty nice and snowy. Still getting a little bit of snow on and off today, so said I'd go out for a little walk on the property. See what tracks I can find. Took a drive yesterday and went for a ride around the property. Took Grandpa, Bella, and everybody. Had a good old time. But we're gonna go around and see if the deer have been coming in. Don't see any tracks up here by our compost pile. They like to be getting fruits and vegetables out of that, so we'll head on around. Here been snowed over, but you can see we have some deer come right up through here. Walked over that way, went around. Here's our RV. So I mean, yeah, there's the other one. So keep going, Gil. Man, is it gorgeous out here today. Got all the birds chirping. It's just really nice. So we're gonna keep going around. You know, we're blessed to have this much to look at every day. And try and keep up with. It's a big job. I think I just seen something run through the trees. I'll have to look at the video later. Might have been some birds flying through. But we'll head around this way. This is a road that we had maneuvered around here so that we can get back to our area easier. So this is the campsite back here, and this spring, once it gets nice, we're gonna put some of our tents out here. We are gonna move into them with our beds of some sort, and that'll be our bedroom area. We're gonna have it out here this summer so that we can work on cleaning this part of the woods up, and we can stay out here. It's maybe a 5-minute walk back here from the front. And no water, no power, nothing like that back here, but this will be our bedroom area for the summer. It's better to stay in a tent anyhow, stay outside, enjoy the weather. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up, and we'll be able to hang out back here and enjoy this wonderful view. Wake up, walk out the tent and see this in the morning. I mean, that's just wonderful. So, yeah, we'll be staying there for the summer. So, I imagine a lot of people wonder, why would you want to sleep in a tent outside when you have a cabin or somewhere else to stay? That's just nicer. One, it's more comfortable outside. It's a lot cooler air. You don't get as hot. And a bunch of deer track right through here. I don't know if you can see them back there or not. But yeah, we like to stay outside, enjoy the air. You can hear the birds chirping in the morning. Gives us some motivation to get up and go. Our cabin doesn't quite have the windows in it we need yet. So we don't have great light. And we've got a lot of work to do in there this summer. So with everything moved out, we can just stay outside and take advantage of an empty building to try and get it finished up. Get ready for this next winter. Just always getting ready for the next season. That's the way it works. All right, well, this is really recent. Oh, hold on. How well you can see that. But this is really recent deer track right here. Came right on through. We get them through here all the time. I've got some video of me standing right in the backyard with a bunch of deer behind me. Speaking of which, look. Here's some more. These were here last hour or two. Haven't been out here very long. So, got lots of them. That's right. It means I'm going to have to put some food out for these girls. So, we've got quite a bit planned for the spring and the summer and the fall coming up. We've got to get a ditch line dug to run our water to our cabin. And then after that as well, we have to get our garden going. We're going to be building some greenhouses. We've got new chickens coming. We're going to be getting 4, possibly 8 more chickens, get our flock back up to 20. We're going to try and hatch some eggs this year. We're also got to build a new roost coop for the new chickens. And yeah, that's just the spring. Then through the summer, we're hoping to do some camping, cleaning in the woods, gathering firewood as always. And the same into the fall. We'll have to get everything harvested. We're going to try and build a food storage for in the ground. So I'm trying to get a hole dug for that. Get that built down in the ground so we can hold our vegetables when it's harvest time. Yeah, we're going to get that going. And we're also hoping to get some retaining ditches dug and the driveway fixed. And I mean, the list is just gigantic, but we're going to see what all we can get done. We're going to have a good time while we're doing it. And we'll get there, day by day. Right, now, right along here, we call this Bunny Burrow. At the first fall of the snow this year, the bunnies were out over here. I got some bunny tracks. We hadn't seen none for a while, and then we got some. So I put out some food for them, and then I've looked around here recently. I haven't seen any fresh bunny tracks yet, but they're probably still hibernating. So as soon as they come out, I'm going to start feeding them, and hopefully we can get them to grow in population, maybe try and clean up their habitat so they have hiding areas, and promote that. That way we have rabbit to eat. I just spooked the deer. They're right through there. We're going to come back this way. I didn't mean to spook them. They were up in the back. Need to get some food out for these gals. They're out looking for food, so I can get back to the house, put some food out for them. Yeah, they're definitely gone. They're pretty good at hide and go seek. I wasn't watching. They haven't gone yet. They're right over there. Want to get them on camera for you. So there's 2, 3 maybe. I think one of them might have been a buck. There they go up there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's definitely 4 of them back there. I'm not sure if I'm getting it on the camera. I can't zoom in. I'll run into trees. There they go. Yeah, I definitely think one of them's a buck. There they go. 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. And one of them's a buck. 6. Oh, man. Yeah, so we're going to get some food out for these guys. They need it, so we'll get back. So, that was nice. There was, I think 6 of them total. I definitely seen a buck in the back, or in the pack, so that was a good see. Glad to see them. We worry about the deer here. We want to keep their population up as well. We want our ecosystem to be balanced and work right. So we get back here and feed them. Another one in there, romantic date nights. We're at Costco, all dressed up, grocery shopping. Ain't that right, sweetie? Almost can't see us in here. Camouflaged. Oh, bye. Have a good day. Hello, Leo.